Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a hit stick in Madden NFL 27. You just need to use a right stick when you are close to the ball carrier. When you are approaching the player, move the right stick up and your defender will attempt a powerful hit stick tackle. You wanna make sure you are in front of the ball carrier when you do this because timing and positioning are important. A successful hit stick can deliver a big hit, and in the right situation it can even help force a fumble. However, you shouldn't use it on every tackle because the ball carrier can sometimes avoid the hit by using a juke, hurdle or other move. Hit sticks can especially useful when a quarterback is running outside the pocket or when you are trying to create a turnover. The type of player you are controlling also matters because some defenders are better at delivering big hits than others. So if you are trying to learn the timing, go into practice mode and try it against different types of plays. Just get in front of the ball carrier, get close enough and move the right stick up to attempt the hit stick. The game doesn't always display a message saying that you perform a hit stick, but you can recognize it by the way your defender lowers his shoulder and delivers the hit. So remember, get in front of the ball carrier, time your tackle and move the right stick up to perform a hit stick in Madden NFL 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.